Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Toda. I'm Ryusei. Today I'll share a Japanese traditional hot pot in Akita prefecture, damako nabe. My father was from Akita prefecture, so he often makes it for nurse. And Akita is written like this. The feature of this hot pot is using chicken stock, smashed rice balls, and unique vegetables. And the soup is soy sauce based flavor. We can have vegetables, grains, and protein in this hot pot. It's so healthy and tasty. I hope you enjoy warm and delicious hot pot, damako nabe at your home. Yes, let's make it. At first, I'll make the chicken stock. It is chicken bones. Firstly, wash the blood carefully. This is extremely important to make clear and elegant chicken stock. Good. Then add the chicken bones in the boiling water. This helps to remove the excess fat and unpleasant smell. I simmer them for a few minutes. Skim off the foam. Good. I wash them in the water again. If the blood remains, please get rid of it carefully. Nice. The chicken bones are ready to take the stock. I add them in 2 liters water. Sliced ginger and green onion. In Japan, sliced ginger and green onion are common ingredients to take the chicken stock. Let's heat it. Once it starts to boil, turn down the heat and simmer it over low heat for about 2 hours. Once the water has evaporated, we add enough water to cover. I said the chicken stock is used in the traditional recipe, but it takes a long time to extract the flavor, so if you'd like to save the time, I'm sure it's okay to use instant stock or bonito flakes and kombu dashi. This is my opinion. 2 hours later, strain the chicken stock in a sieve. Okay, chicken stock is done. Next, I'll prepare the rice balls. This rice is non-glutinous rice, uruchi-mai. The famous rice brands in Akita prefecture are Akita Komachi and Saki Hokore. I cook the rice with a little more water. Add the 110% water of the rinsed rice. After that, I'll smash the rice. Therefore, if the rice is moist and sticky, the grains are easy to stick together. Then I'll prepare salt water. 200 grams of the water and 6 grams of salt. Stir it to melt the salt. Okay, the rice is cooked. Transfer the rice in the mortar. Wet the pestle. And smash the rice grains until they are half mashed. We don't make the rice into paste. Good. Like this. Then wet my hands with salt water and shape the rice into balls. I shape it a little strongly to prevent the balls from falling apart in the hot pot. Nice. I recommend to shape it into bite-sized portions. Good. Today I cooked 200 grams of the rice and got 90 balls. Normally we don't need to grill the rice balls, however, my father grills the rice balls. Grilling gives roasted flavor and prevents the balls from falling apart. The look makes us feel warm. Next, I'll prepare vegetables. First, Japanese leek, naganegi. I use this green part for chicken stock. Then cut it diagonally. Okay, next this is maitake mushrooms. Maitake mushrooms, water drop wood, seri, burdock gobo are essential ingredients for damako nabe. The maitake mushrooms are from Niigata prefecture. If you don't get it, please use shiitake, shimeji, or enoki mushrooms. I divide it into bite-sized clusters. Good. Next, water drop wood, seri. It is grown in Miyagi prefecture. The feature is that the roots are also delicious. Just cut it into bite-sized lengths, about 3 to 4 centimeters. Good. Then burdock. It is grown in Aomori prefecture. I'll show you a Japanese traditional cutting way, sasagaki. Sasa means bamboo, so I cut it into the shape of a bamboo leaf. Firstly, make shallow vertical cuts around the burdock. Then move the knife to the side like sharpening a pencil. The tip is to move the knife same rhythm and rotate the burdock with right hand. Make cuts again. I do the same. If it becomes difficult to hold, cut it into half, then slice it thinly. Okay. Then chicken thigh. Chicken is also essential in damako nabe. Hinaichidori is one of the most popular Japanese chicken brand produced in Akita prefecture. This chicken is grown in Iwate prefecture, which is next to Akita prefecture. Remove the excess skin and fat and cut it into pieces. Both small or large pieces are good. I love big chunks of the chicken. Okay. Finally, this is shirataki. Shirataki is translucent gelatinous Japanese noodles made from the konjac plant's root. Okay, I prepared all ingredients for damako nabe. I combine the soup ingredients: chicken stock, soy sauce, mirin, and sake. Let's heat it. First, I add the chicken and the Japanese leek. If you use green onion, please add it at the end. It's getting warm. Once the chicken is half cooked, add the burdock, maitake mushrooms, and the shirataki. Simmer it for 5 minutes. These ingredients give amazing smell and flavor to the soup. Once the soup boils, skim off the foam and turn down the heat to low. Check the taste. Good. If you feel thin, please add a little soy sauce. Then add the rice balls to the soup. There is a similar dish, kiritampo, in Akita prefecture. Both hot pots are used to smash the rice like this, but I guess this method is rare even in Japan. Okay, simmer it for more 3 minutes. Finally, add water drop wood. It is quite important to add it at the end to keep the green color and crunchy texture. Okay, damako nabe is done. I arrange it on the plate. Chicken, rice balls, vegetables. Finally, pour the soup over it. Done. Let's eat it. いただきます. The rice balls are chewy texture and absorb the soup flavor. And chicken is juicy and the soup is complex and delicious. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Today I introduced a regional food in Akita prefecture. And there are so many regional foods in Japan, and I'd like to learn about them and other countries' foods. I hope you enjoy healthy and delicious damako nabe at your home. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.